Imagine this, you're in Santorini. Sunset of a lifetime. Perfect moment. You reach for your camera, and the photos look like they were taken on a potato from 2010. Heartbreaking, right? In 2026, that should never happen. We tested 25 travel cameras from Sony, Canon, GoPro, DJI, and hidden gems you've never heard of. We took them through sandstorms in the desert, pouring rain in Thailand, freezing cold in Iceland, and accidentally dropped one off a cliff in Switzerland. The results? Some $3,000 pro setups got absolutely destroyed by a $400 pocket camera. But the number one pick? It fits in your jeans pocket, survives being underwater, and takes photos so good National Geographic called asking about it. Your Instagram feed is about to go viral. Let's pack! Starting at number 1. Sony RX100 VII. The best pocket travel camera. If you want a camera that has a capable zoom, shoots excellent raw images in great 4K per 30 frames per second video, and manages to fit in most pockets, the Sony RX100 VII is your best bet. The Zeiss Vario Sonor T*24 to 200mm f2.8-4.5 zoom lens allows a huge range of shots from something that's pocketable. This alone makes it a great travel camera. The 1-inch sensor produces 20.1 MP images, RAW or JPG or both, and while f/2.8 isn't the fastest aperture, it's enough to handle shooting indoors in moderate light. The pop-up EVF is small but functional. It's what I use to compose 90% of the time with this camera, though if you prefer to shoot without it, the back screen is bright enough in all but direct sunlight. The RX100 VII also has excellent tracking autofocus, which isn't always something you need when you travel, but sometimes it can help for fast-moving scenes. My experience with this camera has been such that I don't feel like there are any scenarios it can't handle, which makes it very versatile and excellent for travel. Number 2. Ricoh GR IV. The best travel camera for photographers. The Ricoh GR IV, 8 out of 10, Wired recommends, comes from a different world, one where digital video never happened and everyone just wants that smallest, lightest, pure photo camera that fits in your pocket. The GR series has been the pocket point-and-shoot to have for years, going all the way back to when it was a film camera. The latest version continues that legacy, offering a redesigned 28mm lens, with improved corner sharpness, along with a slightly larger 25.7-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor that has markedly improved image quality over its predecessor. Throw in a dust sealing mechanism that addresses the fatal flaw of early models, which were prone to getting dust on the sensor, an improved autofocus and subject tracking system, and the slightly rearranged rear dials, which make controlling the camera much easier, and you have a true photographer's camera that's perfect for travel. Most importantly, in the context of travel cameras, is that the GR4 fits in your pocket. And I don't mean you need to do some pocket yoga and then it fits, looking at you, Fujifilm X100. The GR4 actually, legitimately slides right into your pocket. Why do some people not like the GR4? Number 3. Sony A7C R. Best full-frame travel camera. If I were buying a camera today, this is the body I would get, travel or otherwise. The A7C R is one of the smallest full-frame, interchangeable lens cameras on the market. This is why it's our top pick for travelers in our guide to the best mirrorless cameras. The 61 MP sensor offers amazing detail and very good dynamic range, 14.7 electron volts. The super-fast autofocus system is among the best you'll find in mirrorless camera, and there's great subject tracking as well, making it perfect for shooting fast-moving scenes on the go. While Sony's or series cameras are mainly for high-resolution still images, the video specs here are solid enough for the casual video user, with support for 4K per 60 frames per second video in full-frame mode, 1.2x crop, or oversampled 4K per 30 frames per second video. Both support 10-bit 4:2 color depth, various log formats, and even 16-bit raw output to an external recorder. My main gripe about the A7C R is the same as it was in my initial review. The viewfinder is cramped in low resolution, 2.36 million dots. It's not a deal breaker for me, but it's something to keep in mind and good reason to rent a camera before you invest. The big question with this camera is, which lens do you pair it with for travel? Number 4. GoPro Hero 13 Black. Best action camera for travel. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is my top pick when I hit the road. The interchangeable lens system gives it the edge over other action cameras, offering shooting possibilities that just aren't there with others. Throw the Hero 13 Black and the ultra-wide lens in your bag and you've got a great way to capture everything you do: climbing, hiking, diving, snorkeling, and other situations where a traditional camera or even your phone would potentially be destroyed. The GoPro won't bat an eye. Check out the rest of our best action camera and best GoPro picks for more info. Number 5. GoPro Max 2 360 camera. The best 360 camera for travel. GoPro's new Max 2 is the best 360 camera for travel. The dual 14mm, 35mm equivalent lenses of the Max 2 each record to a 1/2.3-inch chip, yielding what GoPro calls true 8K, 10-bit video. The upshot is that GoPro's sensors are larger than the competition, which means more pixels for sharper, clearer footage. There's also support for 10-bit color and log files, or, if post-processing is not your idea of fun, the natural-looking color rendition in the default profile is the best I've tested. You get all the usual GoPro video modes, including hypersmooth video stabilization, horizon leveling, time warp, and more. You can also activate single lens mode, which turns it into a 4K Hero-style action camera with all the same features. As with the Hero mounting system, the Max 2 can be mounted to just about anything using either the folding fingers, tripod hole, or magnetic mount. And that's the travel crew, the 5 cameras that survived our 2026 adventure from hell. Whether you're a backpacker on a budget, a luxury traveler, or a vlogger chasing the next viral moment, there's a perfect travel companion here for you. 2026 is literally the best year in history to buy a travel camera. The technology that pro photographers used a few years ago is now available for the price of a dinner out. Which one's coming on your next adventure? Drop a comment below. I want to know where you're traveling next and what you're shooting with. All the links are in the description with the best 2026 prices and any travel bundles I could find. If your wanderlust just kicked in, smash that like button and help other travelers find this video. Subscribe for more 2026 travel tech. Keep exploring, keep capturing. Peace out, travelers!